Hello and welcome. It is the 7th day of February 2017. And interesting look within the silver daily and even more shorter term 4 hour chart as we can see how this resistance point is where price action is currently met with this support today coming within this significant Fibonacci level at 1760. Therefore, what I find interesting about this is not so much what I see on the daily chart, but what I look at within the 4 hour time frame. Resistance was set at this point, and 1774 level pulled back down and back to this point. So therefore, you have what you were looking for: resistance at a key previous high, a pullback, preferably to the band, and then momentum like this to go sparking it higher. We can see it's broken above it, and currently for a while, and many hours now, supporting this 1774 mark. Now, I consider this a failed move because it fell below the 18 average, but more importantly, this was a very key support level that we can see within its movement. It was resisting it and looking as if this was trying to roll over and find some deeper support. There was a band test for it to make that lower high and go lower, but no, that didn't occur. So when a situation within this band breaks out like this to the upside, that's where you got to give it the credit of the doubt to have at least a move to this high. And as I just stated before, when you do the matching high, make this very quick correction like that, that's very strong. In other currencies, like in Canada and the euro, this has been breaking out decently because the US dollar is gaining strength right now, going back to over 100, meaning in Canada on the euro, this high is significantly, noticeably, keyword noticeably higher than this one. And this one was noticeably higher than this one. But it's all pretty much matching within this, so it depends on how you're looking at it. But for the most part, on a world level, silver is on a breakout pattern at this point. Okay, so that is some key information, but I'm calculating some Fibonacci upside, and I'm going to do it within this 1774 top and this low in at 16 2/3. So what I do is I take this number of 1774 and I divide it by the 1665. Put it to the power of 161.8% or 1.618, and then multiply that number by the low again, and you get 1845. It's surprisingly interesting how well these mathematical Fibonacci numbers that my computer calculates instantly work so well. So now the determination is, when this thing breaks out, will that be a key level of resistance? Also, within these breakouts, it's not a surprise that it's going to have good returns by coming in long below 18 and selling above it on short-term analysis. And I think this weekend I'm going to do another one of those stock market ideas, but I'm really going to be focusing on short-term this weekend, looking at plays that should come into play. Hope on the open or on the Monday that you would try to get out of within the day or a few days, depending, of course, price action. But looking at like 15-minute, 5-minute time frame charts, things like that, hourly charts, and do it that measure for the weekend. So I'll do that for Friday into Saturday. So therefore, I'm going to end today's video and take care.